This is Tier 2 Lesson 7, Sum and Difference of Cubes. So remember we have a cubed plus b cubed gives us this form, and a cubed minus b cubed gives us this form, and then the way to remember the signs is SOAP. Same, opposite, always positive. My a and my b, well, I need to take the cube root of both. Well, the cube root of x cubed, my a is going to be x. The cube root of 8 is going to be 2, right? 2 times 2 times 2 gives me 8. So now I can use this form, okay? Or again, remember the signs. So this is going to factor into x and 2. And now it's same sign, so it was minus, so it'll be minus. Then it's a squared, so x squared. The middle sign is opposite, so it's plus now. Then we have AB, so x times 2 or 2x. And then b squared, which is 2 squared, which is 4. And then this sign is always positive. Now, I'm not done. Just like in my last one, I factored out this factor, and now I want to keep factoring my quadratic by using the quadratic formula. Remember, the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a, right? 2 times a. Well, my a equals 1. My b equals 2, my c equals 4, and now I plug it in. So negative 2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4, all over 2 times 1. Well, let me clean up my discriminant, aka my inside. So 2 squared is 4. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, times 4 is negative 16, so minus 16 over 2. 4 minus 16 is negative 12. And then I want to simplify my square root of negative 12, so I'm going to take it over here. And I'm going to get 12 times negative 1. Remember, I like to do that because the square root of negative 1 gives me I. And now I just need to simplify the square root of 12. 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Here's my pair, here's my leftover. Square root of 2 squared times square root of 3 times I. And the square root of 2 squared cancels. I get 2 square roots of 3, I. That was this whole thing. So I get negative 2 plus or minus 2 square roots of 3, I over 2. Now I need to split up my fraction to simplify. Negative 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 square roots of 3i over 2, right? This over 2 and this over 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. And 2 square roots of 3i divided by 2 is just square root of 3i. So these are 2 roots. And then we can take my x minus 2, set it equal to 0, and find my last root of 2.